Chrysanthemum tea is a fragrant and soothing beverage, cherished for its delicate floral taste and impressive health benefits. But does chrysanthemum tea have caffeine? If you're a tea enthusiast looking to unwind without the jitters, you'll be happy to know that this tea is naturally caffeine-free. Unlike traditional teas derived from the Camellia sinensis plant, chrysanthemum tea is an infusion made from dried chrysanthemum flowers, making it a perfect choice for those avoiding caffeine. Many people face the challenge of finding a drink that offers relaxation while delivering health benefits. Coffee and black tea can be stimulating, but they may not suit everyone. Chrysanthemum tea fills this gap beautifully. It not only helps you relax, but also provides a range of surprising advantages for your overall well-being. If you've been searching for a natural, soothing alternative, this tea might just be what you need. One of the key benefits of chrysanthemum tea is its potential to reduce stress and promote calmness, making it ideal for unwinding after a long day. Additionally, it's packed with antioxidants, which can support your immune system and help combat free radicals. The tea is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which may aid in soothing sore throats and reducing discomfort. Beyond that, chrysanthemum tea has been linked to better eye health due to its rich content of beta-carotene, a compound known for supporting vision. Lastly, this tea is hydrating and a wonderful way to maintain overall wellness without the dehydrating effects of caffeine. The calming process of brewing chrysanthemum tea is also an experience in itself. Watching the delicate flowers unfold in hot water feels almost meditative, adding a layer of relaxation to the act of drinking it. With its versatility, you can enjoy it hot or iced, and even add a touch of honey or a slice of lemon to enhance its natural sweetness. To summarize, chrysanthemum tea is a caffeine-free beverage that offers relaxation, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory benefits, eye health support, and hydration. Its rich history and numerous advantages make it a standout choice for anyone seeking a balanced, natural drink. If you're intrigued by the idea of trying this beneficial tea, make sure to grab some high-quality dried chrysanthemum flowers for the best experience. Brew a cup, relax, and let the soothing aroma and flavor take over. For more insights into herbal teas and their benefits, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or favorite tea recipes. Share this video with a friend who might appreciate the benefits of chrysanthemum tea. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.